In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install macOS on iPad. So let's get started. Now it's technically impossible to download macOS directly on your iPad. It's just impossible. Apple just doesn't allow it. However, there are alternatives that you can do instead to make your iPad look more like a Mac. Well, the first thing is using Mac OS remotely on your iPad. For this, you're gonna head over to your App Store. Okay, you're gonna install AnyDesk. So just go ahead and type AnyDesk and then turn it on. So click on Open. Now, once that is done, you're also gonna go ahead and install AnyDesk on your laptop or on your Mac. Now, once you've done that, then this is what you have to do. You just have to type in the address that is shown on your Mac's AnyDesk. Just go ahead and type it here. So I've already connected my Mac to my iPad, so I'm just gonna click on it and I'm gonna wait for the connection to succeed. And there you go. I got a request on my Mac. I'm just gonna accept it from there. Accepted. And I'm just gonna wait. And boom, there you go. Now this is basically my Mac, which I'm using right in front of me, and it has appeared on my iPad. Now that's basically the first one. Now if I want, I can even control my whole Mac just from the screen here. I can just drag the mouse wherever I want. Yeah, so basically it's like using the Mac but on the iPad. Well, that's the first way to make your iPad more Mac-like, or you could say exactly like a Mac. And the second way is basically introducing more stuff into your iPad that resembles a laptop or a MacBook. For example, something like this. Wait a second. There you go. Now, this is something that you can buy from Apple Store itself. So you can buy a keyboard and a trackpad. Now, once you buy this, you basically get the same thing you get in a Mac. You have the keyboard with you along with the trackpad. You can even use the Files app that you have in your iPad as, let's say, Finder. So yeah, you can make these links between Mac and iPad to make them more similar and give them a similar feel. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can get as close as to a Mac on your iPad. And I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.